Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about active and passive voice. Let me introduce myself. I am Vidya Lakshmi, Assistant Professor in MRECW Hyderabad. So let us start the conversion of active and passive voice. So before going into the topic, let us talk about the basic structure of grammar, that is subject, verb, object. So this is the basic structure, subject, verb and object. Let us take one example. I ate an apple. So in this example, I is the subject, ate is the verb and an apple is the object. So this is the basic structure of grammar. So in active and passive voice conversion, what happens is that the subject will go to the object position and the object will take the subject position. That is the first rule. And then the verb changes to V3 form. The basic form of the verb changes to V3 form. That is the second rule. And then thirdly, preposition by will be used. So these are the three rules we follow for active passive voice conversion. So if I take the same example, I ate an apple. Now let me change to passive voice. An apple was eaten by me. So here we can see that the object came to the subject place and vice versa. And we have also changed the verb and the preposition by has been added. So let us take another example. The dog chased a ball. So in this example also we can change the passive to active and active to passive voice. That is, a ball is the object, the dog is the subject. So the dog chased a ball is an active voice. So if you convert this, a ball was chased by the dog. So like that we have to change active to passive and vice versa. So another thing to note is that there should be subject and there should be object for conversion. So if I take the example of she cries. So in this there is no object at all. So we cannot convert this sentence into passive voice. So if you wanted to convert one sentence to passive voice, we should have the object. So she cries, in this example there is no object. So we cannot convert this into passive voice. And why we have to convert active to passive voice? So if you take the experiments, it is an active voice. So take the beaker or fill the beaker with a liquid. So such type of experiments we need to convert into passive voice. So a beaker should be taken. So it should be filled with water. So that is the use of active and passive voice conversion. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.